All right, everyone, pause what you're doing and listen up. Crank up the volume because if you're holding XRP or if you're still on the sidelines for some crazy reason, this is the moment you can't afford to miss. I'm serious. There's a reason the big players are dead silent right now. And it's not what you think. Behind closed doors, the real XRP price, it's already been decided. Not just guessed, not just speculated, but locked in by the same institutions that move the entire financial system. I'm talking BlackRock level money. They already know exactly what XRP should be worth. And we just got proof that the ETF, it's coming. The tweet's out. The cat is out of the bag. Don't take my word for it, folks. Look at the charts. While retail traders are arguing about pennies, pennies, the whales are fighting for position at resistance. You're about to see what happens when all that pent up energy finally breaks out. Stick around because in this video, I'm breaking down exactly what's happening behind the scenes. We're pulling that curtain back, why the end game is already in play, and how you can position yourself before everyone else decides they're gonna wake up. Trust me, you do not want to be the one who looks back wishing that you saw the signs. Let's get into it, folks. Welcome back to the Bullwinkle Blueprint. As always, if you want to support the channel for free, hit that thumbs up. Let's get to 1,000 thumbs up. We've been around 6, 7, 800 every video. Let's hit 1,000. Let's send this video viral. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you're looking to become a member of the channel and go ad free, click that little join button. You'll get all the videos ad free. Bitcoin coming in at 117,000. $215. It's currently down a tad bit, 3.45%. Nothing to be concerned about. Ethereum, 2,981. It's down 2.3%. And XRP coming in at a mean lead, $2.90. We are stuck in this nasty range, the third and final wave, the last boss, the final stage. And we talked about this for about 4 or 5 months. It wasn't going to be easy. $2.90 to $3. That is the area of interest. Total cryptocurrency market cap, 3.75 trillion. And in just 1 second, we're going to pull up the XRP chart. We're going to drop the Fibonacci. Everyone loves the Fibonacci lines, and we'll show you exactly where that 0.786 level is, that fight that we need to get past so you can understand what is going on. But we get this. Let's cut straight to the chase here. BlackRock Spot Bitcoin ETF is about to get the green light for staking. Yes, you heard that right. This is the single biggest evolution for ETFs since the dawn of Bitcoin on Wall Street. If you're sitting there thinking today's Ethereum's prices are expensive, well, trust me, you're going to want to wish you could travel back in time to this exact moment. We're not talking about hyper speculation. We don't do that. We give you facts. This is BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, building the ultimate bridge between TradeFi and crypto. When staking is officially approved, it changes the game for every single crypto ETF out there. Billions in institutional capital will be able to earn yield on their Bitcoin holdings. Do you have any idea what that means for Ethereum, Solana, and every altcoin tied to staking rewards? The flows we're about to see will make 2021 look like a warm-up. But here's why. When the giant can stake, they won't just buy and hold. They'll lock up supply, squeeze the float, and chase yield. There's a recipe for massive price expansion across the board. Remember how ETH front-ran every institutional upgrade in the last bull cycle? This is like ETH 2.0 on steroids. Imagine trying to buy tickets to the biggest concert of the year, but this time BlackRock just bought out half the seats, and they're not selling. Everyone else is about to scramble for what's left. That's the kind of supply crunch we are staring down. Then my man Crypto Insight, he's like, look, XRP is still fighting the exact same levels despite the pullback. Watch XRP closely here. You can see this thick gray box that's ranging from about 290 to 301. That is the area. Here's the daily chart. We are still in it. We are still fighting, folks. And then on the 3-day, it looks absolutely insane here. This thing is ready to blow. You can see, here's your chart. You can see my little gray box. We've been following the support and resistance to the T, and it has worked to the T. That is how we've been so deadly accurate. But let's look at the fibs, because the fibs here will tell us exactly what we are looking for on this. If we pop in our fib retracement from the top to the bottom of this, you can see exactly where we're sitting. The 0.786 is sitting at $3.01. This is the crucial line. We need to flip above this and turn this into support. Instead, we are battling it like it is it is resistance. This is what we're looking at. This is your setup. Right now, XRP and Bitcoin, it's fighting the exact same critical level, even after we just had that little bit of a pullback. Bitcoin pulled back even further, but XRP's like, you ain't breaking me. I'm ready to go. I've been ready to go since 2017. This isn't just another line on the chart, folks. This is a battle zone. This is where legends are made. Whenever XRP holds strong against Bitcoin at these levels, it's like watching a heavyweight go toe-to-toe with the champ, refusing to back down. Remember, in crypto, XRP to Bitcoin, that pairing, that is the ultimate strength meter. We don't care about XRP to USD. You care about XRP to Bitcoin. And that's what my man Crypto Inside's showing you here. This is the XRP to Bitcoin. Those are your Satoshi's value coming at a 0.00002480. Ranging up, but if you break down the Satoshi to the USD value, you're looking at the $2.90 to $3.01 region. That is what we are looking to battle through and get above. It's going to go down. It's going to go down. And if you didn't see the post, and you're not a member of the Patreon and that's not your cup of tea, it's okay, because I put the post on the YouTube channel. If you come to the YouTube channel on the Bullwinkle Blueprint, you'll see a community post that is out there for everyone to view for free, folks. And I put up the XRP chart, the same chart that I gave to my Patreon members to look at so people have an understanding, because this is such a critical area for XRP. And I told you the exact wave or pattern that we are looking out for. And I told you that it is normal if we do get a pullback to the 0.618 here and build up and scoop up some more liquidity before we break out and pop to the upside. The Nate Gerasi. I'm sure you heard my man's name right here. He's always spot on with these ETFs and what is going on in the space. Right now, we are staring at the biggest catalyst in the crypto market has ever seen. There is no doubt about that this is a game changer, and there is no doubt about that this is 100% coming. I'm talking BlackRock. I'm talking the spot ETF for XRP. And at this point, it's not an if. It is a when. Let's be honest. BlackRock didn't come this far just to play with a few Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. These guys are the apex predators of Wall Street. When they make a move, it's not a test run. It's a takeover. So the writing's on the wall. A spot XRP ETF is 100% guaranteed, folks. 100% guaranteed. And when it happens, it's not just bullish. It is market defining. Imagine you're at a theme park, okay? Bitcoin, Ethereum just took everyone on a roller coaster. But XRP, it's the new ride. Roped off. No one's allowed on it yet. As soon as BlackRock opens those gates, the whole crowd stampedes in. We're talking double-digit XRP before the line even wraps around the block. But here's what really gets me hyped. This is only the beginning. My 3 strongest beliefs about where we're headed. First, BlackRock. They're not just stopping at XRP. They're going to want Solana. They're going to want a crypto index ETF. They're going to want the full menu. Why? Because if you want to stay king of the hill, you have to own the whole mountain. BlackRock knows this. Second, State Street, the 3rd biggest ETF issuer, is just sitting on the sidelines. I don't get it. Do they really think they're protecting gold ETFs? Newsflash, you're not protecting anything. You're handing the keys to BlackRock and Fidelity. There's still time for them to jump in, but guess what? That window is closing. And third, but not last, Schwab. Yes, Charles. Where are you? Your main rival, Fidelity, is eating your lunch. Why wait? Every day Schwab hesitates, they're letting billions in future assets under management slip through their fingers. This is a historic moment to lead, not to follow. And let's not forget, though, even Vanguard should open up a brokerage assets to crypto ETFs because the world is not going back. Institutions that miss this wave, they won't get a second chance. This is the calm before the storm. The next leg up in crypto is going to be sparked by the ETF domino effect. And XRP is front and center. When that BlackRock spot ETF drops, it's not just a price move. It's a signal to the world that XRP has officially joined the big leagues. Now, me and you, we already know XRP joined the big leagues, but they're going to tell the rest of the world. And guess what? We're already going to be positioned. So if you're bullish on the future, hey, smash that like button. Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe if you don't want to miss what's coming next. Because in the second half of this year, we are going to see ETFs like you never thought about, like you never dreamed of. It is going to be something that you're going to be telling your kids about, and you were here before they did it. I'm going to leave it like that. Look, make sure you do me a favor, smash that thumbs up. Let's send this video viral. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Other than that, enjoy the rest of your Tuesday. I'll catch everyone on the next one.